Hello and welcome to Mallorca. My name is Bea Ziop and I would like to present to you this wonderful villa with fantastic sea view.
High above Puerto de Andratx, an absolutely luxurious designer villa awaits you. The exclusive, secluded location, the magnificent sea views of the harbour and the island Dragonera, as well as the various terraces with their high-quality lounge furniture, promise beautiful sunsets and make this property undoubtedly unique. The newly built villa is situated in 1,900 square meters of land, and the 450 square meters of living space features 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with an adjacent indoor and outdoor dining area, as well as a spacious living room with beautiful views. Whether it's the heated pool, jacuzzi on the roof terrace, underfloor heating, fireplace and air conditioning, or the integrated sound system, everything in the villa is of the very highest quality, providing a very special living environment.
I hope you have enjoyed the tour and I'm looking forward to see you soon.